Visit bestcustomscreens.com for the best custom screens, your online source for screen doors and window screens, and blinds too. Shop at bestcustomscreens.com for America's top quality products that ship nationwide. Best Custom Screens is home of the best screen door, best window screens, best sunscreens, best retractable window screens, and more. Sliding screen doors, screen door kits, window screens, swinging screen doors, French door screens, pet doors, rolls of screen, hardware, and more. At bestcustomscreens.com, you'll find top brands like Active Window Products, Genius Screens, Larson Storm Doors, and Pfeiffer Screening, made to your measurements and designed with care. Numerous frame colors are also available to choose from. And at bestcustomscreens.com, they'll help you find an installer, and they include some helpful resources and links. That's bestcustomscreens.com, your online source for screen doors and window screens and more. bestcustomscreens.com. Go check them out now. You can also find them on YouTube. Search Best Custom Screens and contact by phone at 800-341-9054.